Is it?
Yeah.
Now you come and eat it. You like a little bird?
Uh-huh. No, we need strawberry.
Yes, the blackberries, yeah.
Yeah,
This is very sharp, Amma. Be careful, okay?
we don't have mulla. Yeah, you put it. I found a black one.
Yeah, blackberries is a bit sharper, okay? Careful. Lots of them.
I don't like this, like,
Yeah, you don't touch the blackberries, baby, okay?
I thought sometimes
Yes, I'm good enough, Amma. Enough. Blackberries bit sharp.
sometimes I can put my hand into the spike.
Yeah.
Decide.
There's a lot of blackberries is here. A lot of blackberries, I think, is people not coming here. So much in there, isn't it?
Because it hurts.
Yeah, it still hurts. Yeah, careful, baby, okay? It's very sharp.
And yeah. Those are like mommy's roses sharp.
Yeah. Get the really dark black one. The red one is not tasty. It's going to be sour.
Yeah, I just bought some red ones.
It's the blackberries. The black one is the tasty one.
This one because it hurt my.
Yeah, don't touch it. I'm gonna leave it, okay?
Take it. It hurts.
See, mommy got all the black ones. Yeah, that's good, mommy.
already fed them.
Saiki, you don't touch them, mommy gonna pick. Mommy pick for you, okay? Tasty? Tell me about how it tastes like.
Sweet.
The sweets? Which one your favorite is? Raspberry or blackberries? Oh, sorry. Yeah.
All of them.
Your favorite is all of them? Okay. What is your favorite, Samikudi? You want the raspberry or blackberries?
Mommy likes blackberry.
Blackberries is tasty? Yeah. So much blackberries are here. Make sure you don't go too closer to the plant. It's going to be sharp.
Like this one.
Yeah, see, look.
Going down.
It will get hurt. So blackberries. There's a lot of blackberries around here.
Yeah.
What is in this side, baby?
I think that's these raspberries. Can we get some? No,
Yeah, there's on this side is strawberry, peas, carrot, French beans, and cucumbers. It's the biggest farm. See, look, this side is, what is this one? It's a plum.
yeah, I'm going to get plums.
We can't go in there, but we had to come around for that. We got plum in our house. Yeah, we don't need to pick the plums. We got plum and the pears in our house. There's a beetroot, you say, baby. Yeah, she's a beetroot.
What are these?
I think that is beans, Amma. That's a bean. The runner beans.
So I'm going to get those.
You don't need the beans. Mommy can pick the beans up.
I'm
Baby.
going to pick them. These are baby.
It's the baby beans.
You know everything, Aksara.
The little ones are baby.
Why don't you pick baby ones?
I feel like baby one.
Oh, don't pick that up.
Why?
You only pick the beans,
See?
not pick the flowers. See how it looks. The beans are there. See, a lot of beans are here. A lot. Beans nobody picking up.
They're flowers.
Huh?